sees your laptop crawling, freezing, and making you want to pull your hair out, you're not alone. Slow performance can be incredibly frustrating, hindering your productivity and enjoyment. But what if I told you there are simple steps to bring your laptop back to life without buying a new one? Welcome. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through 10 actionable steps to optimize your slow laptop. First up, let's tackle storage. Over time, your laptop accumulates tons of unnecessary files. Go to Settings, then Storage, and find Temporary Files. This is where old data hides. Clear out your cache, empty the recycle bin, and delete old downloads. You'll be amazed by the space freed next. Let's stop those sneaky apps from slowing down your boot time. They launch automatically. Open Task Manager, navigate to the Startup tab, and identify programs you don't need immediately. Disable unnecessary programs like game launchers or unused updaters. Your startup will be much faster. Keeping your system updated is crucial for performance and security. Don't skip this step. Regular updates bring performance enhancements and bug fixes. Make sure your OS is always current. Just like physical clutter, digital clutter slows you down. Uninstall programs you no longer use. Head to your Apps and Features settings and systematically remove any unwanted software. Viruses and malware are notorious performance killers. A quick scan can make a huge difference. Run a full system scan using your preferred antivirus or Windows Defender. It's essential for security. Once complete, you'll see an all clean notification, ensuring your system is free from threats. Fancy visual effects look great, but they consume resources. Lowering them can boost speed. Type sysdm.cpl into the Run dialog Windows plus R2 Access System Properties. Then, select Adjust for best performance in the Performance options. It's a quick win. Overheating is a major cause of slow performance. Your laptop needs to breathe. Clean side vents and use a cooling pad. Proper airflow is vital for internal components. Avoid soft surfaces like beds. They block vents. Always use a hard, flat surface. Windows has a built-in feature called Storage Sense. It automatically frees up space. Enable it, and your laptop will intelligently manage temporary files and old downloads in the background. Too many open tabs and applications hog your RAM. Close what you're not actively using. A simple restart can work wonders. It clears RAM and refreshes your system. If all else fails, consider a hardware upgrade. An SSD and more RAM can transform your machine. These upgrades offer significant speed improvements, making your laptop feel brand new. Now, let's see the incredible difference these steps can make. Prepare to be amazed. Watch how much faster the after laptop boots up compared to the before version. With these optimizations, your laptop will be flying, just like this happy user. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment fixed below. Thanks for watching. Follow for more tech tips and keep your devices running smoothly.